guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Pratyusha. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So guys, this is currently the next day. Yesterday when I set for shooting, the weather became bad, so I didn't shoot anymore. So yeah, as we all know by today's title, I'm going to test the viral TikTok photography hacks, and I'm going to see if those really work or not. In this video, two of my friends are going to participate as well and help me out, Shreya Ganguly and Priyanka Sardar. If you guys want to follow them, the links are in the description. Please go and follow them. And yeah, we'll explain what hacks we're using and which hack we are doing. So let's not waste any more time and get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. So if you have read the title of the video, you already know what I'm here for. But the funny story is, my friend Pratyusha actually very easily convinced me to do this video. I'm a little awkward, but then I hope you can keep it up with me and I can give my best. So without any further ado, let's get started with our hack. So for our hack, what we will be needing is just a dupatta, and that's it. And what you're gonna do is just tie the dupatta to your window, or go to your balcony or anywhere where you can just tie the dupatta, and then I'll show you what you have to do. Okay, so once you're done tying your dupatta, this is what something it's gonna look like. And then you just go inside your dupatta like this. You give poses and anything you want. You give any poses, maybe something like this, something like bring the dupatta a little, and then you go like this. Eventually the poses will come to you. So I guess you have got what I'm going to what I was trying to say, and I hope you try it, and if you do, let Pratyusha know, and all the best.
This is Shreya, and today I'm wearing this dress which is from H&M. It's an amazing one. You can go out and check it in the collection. So Pratyusha has already explained me what am I supposed to do, and let's not waste any much of your time, and let's see what I have done. I'm done with the picture shooting or whatever. There was too much of efforts and all. So let's see what's the outcome. Follow till the end.
Since Shreya forgot to mention which hack she is using, so let me just tell you guys, she is doing the CD part where you put the CD in front of your flashlight, and a rainbow effect takes place, and which act as a filter while you click the pictures. So yeah, let's not waste any more time, because the pictures that came out, the pictures that she has sent me are so beautiful. I'm so excited to show you guys. So here are they. So guys, the hack which I'm going to do is the one with the glass, where you pour some amount of water or some drops of water on the glass and keep the glass in front of the camera and then get clicked. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the photo shoot, and let's see how the photos turn out to be, or let's see if these hacks work at all or not. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, I'm done with my photo shoot, and I'm really sorry I couldn't shoot that part, because I usually use my mom's phone for that, and my mom is using her phone right now, so I couldn't use that phone. So, and I couldn't shoot it as well. So that's it, and I'm really sorry for this facial expression as well, because I'm literally in my balcony and the sun is right in front of my face right now. And also guys, I wanted to let you know, if you guys don't have glasses, then make sure to take it out one from your frames, and I have taken out this from my frames, and I literally feel these hacks work, because the pictures that came out is so good. Trust me, I'm in love with it. I'll show you in a bit, and trust me, just try this out and tag me on Instagram or comment down below if you have tried this out before, and let me know. So yeah, let's not waste any more time, and let me show you the pictures that came out. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Please guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite, and also don't forget to comment down what else you guys want to watch. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that every time I post you get notified. With that being said, I'll sign off. I'll be back with more videos.